Take a slow, gentle breath in and allow it to flow out naturally. There is no effort required, no focus needed, no destination to reach. You are simply here. Suspended in a quiet moment between wakefulness and sleep. Around you, the universe stretches endlessly, vast, ancient, and patient. Tonight, nothing in the cosmos is rushing. Stars are not competing to shine brighter. Galaxies are not hurrying toward tomorrow. Time itself is softening, loosening its grip. The universe is preparing to rest. And as it does, you are invited to rest with it. Imagine yourself floating gently in space. Not falling, not moving forward. Just drifting, supported by silence. There is no ground beneath you, yet you feel completely secure. A soft, invisible current holds you, like a calm ocean holding a drifting leaf. With every slow breath you take, your body feels lighter. Your shoulders loosen, your neck releases, your jaw softens. Even the small muscles around your eyes begin to let go. The universe notices this release. And in response, it grows even quieter. Above you, stars glow gently, not sharp or blinding, but soft, distant, and warm. Each one is impossibly far away, yet they feel close in this stillness. These stars have been shining for millions, sometimes billions of years. They have witnessed the birth of planets, the cooling of oceans, the slow unfolding of life. And still, they remain calm. They do not rush. They do not worry about time. They simply shine, steadily and patiently. You can borrow that patience now. There is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to solve. For this moment, existing is enough. As you drift, you pass near a distant spiral galaxy. Its arms curl gracefully through space, made of stardust, gas, and ancient light. It rotates slowly, so slowly that movement feels like stillness. This galaxy has turned this way long before Earth existed. It will continue turning long after tonight has passed. and yet it is never in a hurry. Watching it is like watching a slow breath taken by the universe itself. Inhale, the galaxy expands gently. Exhale, it settles back into balance. Your breathing naturally begins to follow. In this quiet, your thoughts begin to change. They do not disappear. They simply lose urgency. If a thought appears, you do not need to follow it. Let it drift by, like a distant star passing through your awareness. You return again to the darkness, to the gentle rhythm, to the calm. This space asks nothing of you. Far away, a warm, amber-colored star glows softly. It is not young and explosive, nor old and fading. It exists in a steady middle age, burning calmly and consistently. Around it, fine particles of cosmic dust drift slowly, like snow suspended in air. This star is stable, reliable. If it could speak, it would say, "You may rest. I will continue." You feel comforted knowing the universe continues its quiet work even as you sleep. Darkness deepens around you. Not empty darkness, but a gentle, protective one. In space, darkness is not absence, it is balance. Just as night allows your body to heal, cosmic darkness allows the universe to breathe and reset. In this darkness, your body understands something ancient. Rest is safe. Letting go is natural. You begin to sense a rhythm, a slow, steady pulse. Not a sound, but a feeling. The universe has a heartbeat. Stars pulse. Galaxies vibrate faintly. Even space itself hums softly. This rhythm is older than memory. As you float, your own heartbeat gently aligns with it. Slow, steady, calm, breath and heartbeat move together. Ahead, a vast nebula stretches across space, a cloud of glowing gas and dust, colored in soft blues, purples, and silvery whites. Nebulas are places of creation, where new stars are born. Yet even here, there is no urgency. Creation happens slowly, patiently, over millions of years. This nebula understands something important. Rest and creation are not opposites. They belong together. You do not need to rush to become anything. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to rest exactly as you are. As you drift past the nebula, time begins to lose its structure. Minutes blur, seconds soften. There is only now. Your awareness gently narrows, like a lens slowly closing. Thoughts become quieter, images slower. Your body feels heavy and light at once. Heavy with comfort, light with ease. Far below, a small blue planet rotates gently. Clouds drift over oceans. Night passes over continents. On this planet, millions of people are sleeping. Some dream, some rest deeply. All are held by the same universe. You are connected to them, not by effort, but by existence. The cosmos does not separate, it includes. The universe begins its first deep quiet. Stars dim slightly, motion slows, light becomes softer. This is the beginning of cosmic night, a time for restoration, a time for balance, a time for deep, uninterrupted rest. You feel a gentle pull inward, not downward, towards sleep. Your body knows how to do this. Your mind is allowed to release control. Inhale, calm spreads gently. Exhale, tension dissolves. Inhale, safety. Exhale, surrender. Nothing more is required. As this part of the journey comes to rest, you find yourself once again floating in a familiar field of stars. The same quiet darkness, the same gentle silence. Everything is exactly as it should be. The universe is resting, and you are drifting with it. You are still here, floating gently in the same quiet field of stars. Nothing has changed, and yet everything feels deeper. The universe has not moved you forward. It has invited you inward. Your body continues to rest without effort. Breathing happens naturally now, slow, steady, unforced. Each breath carries less thought, less intention, just rhythm, just flow. Around you, space grows wider and calmer. The stars seem farther apart, as if giving you more room to let go. Light no longer calls for attention. Darkness feels familiar, safe, comforting. The universe is not watching you, it is holding you. As you drift, you begin to pass through a region of deep interstellar space. Here, stars are rare, distances are vast, silence feels endless. Yet this space is not empty. It is full of calm, full of potential, full of rest. This is the quiet between heartbeats, the pause between breaths, the stillness between thoughts. Your thoughts slow even further now. They no longer form full sentences. They soften into impressions, colors, sensations, gentle feelings. If a thought arises, it fades almost immediately, like mist dissolving in cool air. There is no need to hold on. Sleep is already approaching you. Far away, a massive galaxy cluster drifts slowly. Thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity, moving as one. Even at this enormous scale, movement is unhurried. Nothing collides violently here. Nothing rushes. Gravity itself feels gentle. The universe knows how to balance even its largest structures. You can trust it to balance you as well. As you float past, you notice something subtle. The universe is symmetrical. Patterns repeat themselves in spiral galaxies, in orbits, in waves. These same patterns exist inside your body, in your breathing, in your heartbeat, in your nervous system. Right now, those patterns are settling into their most natural state: rest. Your body begins to feel heavier. not uncomfortable, comfortably weighted, as if gravity has returned only enough to hold you gently. Your arms feel warm, your legs relax completely. Any remaining tension melts away without being noticed. The universe does not force relaxation, it allows it. Ahead, a long, dim corridor of space appears. Not a tunnel, but a gentle narrowing of awareness. Like the moment before sleep when the world grows distant. Sounds fade, images soften, your awareness moves inward. You drift effortlessly through this quiet passage. Within this space, time barely exists. There is no past to revisit, no future to anticipate. Only this calm, extended now. Your mind no longer tries to understand. Understanding is unnecessary here. Being is enough. Somewhere far behind you, stars continue shining, galaxies continue turning, the universe continues its work. You do not need to participate. You are allowed to completely rest. You sense a slow, cosmic wave passing through space. Not physical, but energetic. As it passes through you, your body relaxes even more deeply. Breathing becomes slower still. Pauses between breaths grow longer. Comfort grows heavier. Thought dissolves. If sleep has not yet arrived, it is very close now. You may feel moments where awareness flickers. This is normal. This is welcome. Each flicker is an invitation to let go further. The darkness around you thickens gently, not closing in, but wrapping softly, like a warm blanket woven from silence. In this darkness, nothing can disturb you. Nothing asks for your attention. Nothing expects anything from you. Your heartbeat slows. Your muscles rest completely. Your mind drifts at the edge of sleep. The universe is very quiet now. So quiet that even the idea of silence feels unnecessary. As this part of the journey settles, you find yourself once again floating in a familiar stillness, the same cosmic calm, the same gentle darkness, the same infinite safety. Nothing needs to happen next. Sleep may arrive now or soon. Either way, you are exactly where you should be. You are drifting. There is no effort now, no direction, only gentle movement within stillness. The universe has grown quieter than before, not because anything has stopped, but because everything has settled into balance. Your breathing continues on its own, in and out. Each breath is slower than the one before. There is no need to control it. The universe is breathing for you. Around you, space feels vast and calm. Stars are distant points of light, soft and unfocused. They do not ask to be noticed. They simply exist, just as you do. The universe has entered its deepest night. This is the time when galaxies rest in their slow orbits, when stars burn steadily without change, when space itself feels weightless and still. You are floating within this cosmic night, held, safe. Thoughts no longer form clearly. If they appear at all, they are brief, like faint echoes quickly fading. You do not follow them. You do not need to. They dissolve on their own. There is a rhythm here, a very slow rhythm, not sound, not motion, a presence, the slow pulse of the universe at rest. You feel it moving through you, through your chest, through your body, through your awareness. Each pulse brings deeper calm. Your body is heavy now, comfortably heavy, as if resting on something soft and supportive. Your arms are still, your legs are still, your face is relaxed. Nothing needs to move. Darkness surrounds you completely, not empty darkness, protective darkness, a darkness that holds without pressure. You are wrapped in silence. Time has almost no meaning here. Moments stretch, pauses lengthen. There is no sense of waiting. Nothing is coming next. Nothing is required. The universe continues its quiet existence. Stars shine, galaxies drift. You do not observe them now, you feel them, as a gentle presence, a quiet certainty. Your awareness moves inward, not deliberately, naturally, like sinking into deep water that supports you fully. Breath slows further, heartbeat is steady, thought is distant, sleep is very close, or already here. If awareness fades, that is perfect. If it returns briefly, that is fine. There is no right way to rest. The universe allows all rhythms. You are not separate from this space. You are part of it. You always have been. There is nothing to hold on to, nothing to let go of. The slow pulse continues, steady, calm, unchanging. Each pulse guides you deeper. As this part settles, you remain within the same quiet field. Nothing shifts, nothing ends. The universe rests, and you rest within it. You are here. Or perhaps you are no longer aware of being anywhere at all. Both are fine. There is no difference now. Breathing continues, quiet, automatic, soft, in, out. Long pauses between breaths. Nothing interrupts this rhythm. The universe feels distant and close at the same time. Not observed, not imagined, simply present. Stars are no longer points of light. They are impressions, faint memories of brightness resting in darkness. Galaxies are no longer shapes. They are slow ideas drifting far beyond thought. Your mind does not follow them. Your mind is resting. Awareness softens, edges dissolve. There is no clear boundary between you and the space around you. Darkness deepens, not heavier, softer, like velvet, like night air that carries no sound. Your body is completely still, not tense, not held, simply at rest. Every muscle has released its task. There is nothing to check, nothing to remember, nothing to prepare for. The universe exists without effort. So do you. A slow wave passes through everything, not once, not twice, endlessly. A gentle cosmic tide. Each wave settles you deeper. Thought does not return. Language does not form. If words appear, they dissolve immediately. They are no longer needed. Time has faded. There is no before, no after, only this. The universe has no expectations. It does not require attention. It does not measure awareness, it simply is. You are allowed to disappear into rest, not gone, not lost, just quiet. Breathing is very slow now, so slow it almost feels as if the universe is breathing instead of you. Heartbeat steady, soft, barely noticed. Darkness holds everything. Stars, galaxies, you, all together. There is no separation here, no inside, no outside, only calm existence. If sleep has arrived, this voice drifts around it. If sleep has not arrived, it will soon. There is no resistance. The universe remains steady, unmoving, safe. You do not need to follow anything. You do not need to listen. You do not need to stay awake. Rest deepens on its own. Stillness, silence, pause. Another gentle wave, deeper. Nothing changes. Nothing needs to. The universe continues resting. You continue resting within it. There is no ending here, no signal, no conclusion. Only quiet. There is very little to notice now, and that is good. Breathing happens somewhere far away, slow, gentle, automatic. In, long pause, out. The universe has entered its deepest night, not a night that ends, a night that simply exists. Stars are barely perceived, not seen, not imagined, felt as distant warmth inside endless dark. Galaxies are resting in their slowest motion. Their turning is so gradual, it feels like stillness. They are not going anywhere, neither are you. There is no direction, no forward, no backward, only floating inside calm. Thought is absent now. If something like a thought appears, it dissolves before forming. There is nothing to attach to, nothing to follow. The body is deeply relaxed, completely supported. Muscles have forgotten they were ever needed. The face is soft. The mouth rests gently open or closed. The eyes are still. There is no tension anywhere. Darkness feels thick and kind, like deep space or deep water that carries without effort. Time is no longer counted. Moments stretch without edges. There is no sense of waiting. The universe does not change. It remains constant, reliable. A slow cosmic rhythm continues. Not sound, not movement, a presence, a deep, steady pulse that has always existed. Each pulse settles everything further, not deeper, because depth no longer matters, just calmer. Breath slows again, pauses grow longer. Sometimes it feels as though breathing stops and then resumes gently. This is natural. This is safe. The universe breathes with you, all for you. There is nothing to understand, nothing to remember, nothing to hold. Awareness drifts in and out. This is perfect. If sleep has already taken you, these words pass by unseen. If not, they guide you gently there. Stars continue to burn steadily. They do not flicker. They do not rush. They simply shine in their own time. Galaxies continue to exist without observation. They do not require attention. They do not require belief. The universe exists even when you are unaware. This allows you to fully rest. Nothing depends on you right now. Nothing waits. Nothing expects. Darkness wraps everything evenly. No corners, no edges. The sense of self is very faint, like a distant echo, like a memory of being awake. You do not need to return to it. Stillness expands. Pause. Another pause. The same calm continues. Unchanged, unbroken. The universe is completely at rest, not asleep, not awake, balanced. You are resting within that balance. There is no beginning here, no ending, only continuation. Silence, stillness, The deep night remains. There is nothing left to follow, nothing left to listen for, nothing left to notice. And that is exactly how it should be. The universe remains quiet, unmoving, steady. It does not fade. It does not change. It simply continues. Breathing happens somewhere beyond awareness, so slow, so soft. In, long pause, out. The body is fully at rest. Not heavy, not light, balanced, supported by something that does not need a name. Darkness surrounds everything evenly. No edges, no center, no direction. Stars exist far away, not visible, not imagined. They are simply there, doing what they have always done. Galaxies drift in movements so slow, they feel eternal. Their motion does not disturb the quiet. It belongs to it. Time has dissolved. There is no night, no morning, only this extended stillness. The universe does not ask whether you are awake or asleep. It holds both states equally. If awareness is present, it floats gently. If awareness fades, the universe remains unchanged. Nothing is lost, nothing ends. The slow cosmic pulse continues, not louder, not softer, always the same. This pulse does not count moments. It does not measure duration. It simply exists. You rest inside this pulse, or perhaps you have become part of it. There is no difference now. Silence deepens without becoming heavy. Stillness expands without moving. There is no signal to wake, no signal to sleep. Both are unnecessary. The universe is complete in this state. So are you. Breathing continues. Heartbeat continues. Life continues without effort. If a thought briefly appears, it dissolves instantly, like a ripple that never becomes a wave. The sense of self is very faint, barely outlined, not important. There is no story now, no journey, no progression, only rest. The universe remains exactly here. And because it remains, you are free to disappear into sleep completely. Nothing will change if you do. Nothing needs attention. Nothing waits. Stars will still shine. Galaxies will still turn. Space will still stretch endlessly. The universe has always known how to exist without observation. You are allowed to let go fully. Pause, long pause. The same quiet returns. Stillness remains. And now, without any movement at all, you find yourself once again floating gently in a quiet field of stars. The same soft darkness, the same infinite calm. Nothing rushed, nothing required. The universe is resting, and so are you.